Welcome to Intensified Algebra. This is Mr. Villanueva. Today we are doing topic 9, lesson 3. And so I'm going to go ahead and read over the objectives today. It says in today's lessons, you will focus on the following highlighted goals from this topic. So we will be finding rates of change for linear functions from tables, graphs, or verbal descriptions. Also, contrast proportional linear relationships with non-proportional linear relationships. So let's go ahead and start with our opener. Okay, so we have this problem here. It says the parents of the baseball team members want to raise money for new uniforms. The parents order team baseball caps and sell them at pep rallies and games. They sell the caps for $10 each. They pay a design fee of $100 plus $350 for each baseball cap they order from the manufacturer. These tables show the money they spend for each cap they order and the money they collect for each cap they sell. So let's take a look at these two tables here. So if they order 0 caps, their total amount that they have to pay still is $100. They paid the $100 for the design fee. Okay, so if they make 1 cap, that's going to cost them $350. So to make 1 cap, it's going to cost $103.50. That's a pretty expensive cap. And then so forth. Each time they're adding, let's see, it looks like they're adding $350 for every cap that they order. Okay, so to make 1, it's $350. To make another one, it's going to be another $350. And to make another one, it'll be $110. Just to make 3 caps will be $110.50. Okay, and this is what they're selling them for. So if you sell 0 caps, obviously you're going to make a $0 profit. Okay, actually you're going to be minus 100 because over here you spent $100. But let's see, if they sell 1 cap, they're going to make $10. If they sell 2 caps, they're going to sell 20. Or I'm sorry, they're going to make $20. So it looks like to me here that for each cap they sell, they make a profit of $10. So this is going at a rate of $10 per each cap. Okay, so this is what they are selling. Over here, these are what it takes. This is what it costs to actually make the caps. Okay, just to make 1 cap would be $103.50. But notice that this rate is $350 because they're going $350 every time. This rate here is $10. Eventually, we know that if you sell enough caps that you will make a profit. Okay, if you sell 5 hats, well, you're not going to make a profit because it costs $117.50 for 5 caps. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look here. We're going to look in our workbook. And it says here, we have the same information here. In the book, it says, does the cap order situation represent a proportional relationship? And then how do you know? Okay, well, we know that for it to be proportional, that it has to pass through the origin. And just looking at this, I see 0. If it passes through the origin, this here would also have to be 0. So this table right here is not proportional. So the table is not, but does not represent a proportional relationship because it does not pass through the origin. Let's take a look at the other table. It says, so we have 0 here, and over here we also have 0. So this does pass through the origin. Also, we have a consistent increase. Okay, we're increasing by 10 per every cap. So this one is proportional and goes through the origin. So we're going to go ahead and type in the table is proportional because it has a constant rate and passes through the origin. Okay, be sure to watch the next video. The next video is the core activity.